Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the American Express Green Card. The American Express Green Card is a travel reward credits card with $150 annual fee, designed for people who often spend on travel, transit, and dining. It gives 3-time membership rewards points on travel, including flights, hotels, and taxis, dining worldwide, and transit like buses or trains, plus 1-time points on all other purchases. The card includes a yearly Clear Plus credit, which helps you move faster through airport security, and it has no foreign transaction fees, making it useful for international trips. You also get travel protections like trip delay coverage, baggage insurance, and car rental insurance. Points can be transferred to various airlines and hotel partners, giving flexibility in how you use rewards. While the perks can easily outweigh the annual fee for frequent travelers, it's less valuable if you don't travel much or can't use the offered credits. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.